Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Sabrina Shasha binti Zaidi. In this video, I will show you the data analysis of factors affecting resident satisfaction with urban parks in Shah Alam residential area. Urban areas confront issues of increasing population concentration in the last decades. By the year 2033, 62% of the global population will live in urban areas, according to Liu and Xiao 2020. As cities expand and grow denser, urban green spaces, particularly parks, are gaining an increasing amount of attention. Information on the perceptions, satisfaction, and attitudes of residents may serve as an important factor for the policy making, planning, and management of urban parks. There are two objectives in this study. First, to identify the factors affecting resident satisfaction with urban parks in the Shah Alam residential area. Two, to evaluate the main factors affecting resident satisfaction with urban parks in the Shah Alam residential area. Method of analysis chosen are reliability analysis and compartments analysis. Under the reliability analysis, Cronbach alpha is computed for each set of items measuring the same factor to provide evidence of reliability. The Cronbach alpha value above 0.6 is considered acceptable. The compartments analysis will be employed to assess the factor of the moderator variable in the model. Using one sample test, t-value of each variable will be compared to a known value. Let's take a look at reliability analysis. As we all know, the good score of Cronbach alpha must be greater than 0.6. From the table shown, the Cronbach alpha for this study scored 0.862, which is acceptable. This proves that all the data collected is from genuine respondents. Besides, respondents are able to endorse questionnaire answers well, understand the questions well, and answer the questionnaire by reading all the given questions. In addition, the distribution of data answers is normal. Next, compartments analysis. The data derived from the one sample test, t-value, will be deeply analyzed to study which variables most influence resident satisfaction with urban parks. The highest t-value is the most influential variable towards resident satisfaction with urban parks in the Shah Alam residential area. The findings show that landscape has the highest t-value of independent variables, which is 34.180, followed by recreation facility 32.529, maintenance of facilities and plants 32.186, environment cleanliness 30.390, and park size 28.015. The independent variable with the lowest t-value is vegetation 20.020. Landscape is a variable that most influences the resident satisfaction with urban parks in the Shah Alam residential area because it has the highest t-value, which is 34.180. The study finds landscape is significant in affecting people's pleasure with urban parks, which is consistent with earlier studies that suggest strong landscape visual quality may attract people in, according to Chen et al. 2009. Meanwhile, vegetation is a variable that least influences the residents' satisfaction with urban parks in the Shah Alam residential area because it has the lowest t-value, which is 20.020. Based on the research by Liu and Xiao 2020, the features of urban parks such as water bodies, vegetation, and drainage system can provide favorable conditions for mosquito breeding and survival. We all know that mosquitoes can spread malaria, dengue fever, and many other diseases, which can pose serious threats to public health. That is why vegetation is the least influential factor in resident satisfaction with urban parks, because mosquitoes pose greater threats to residents' health. In summary, residents in Shah Alam preferred aesthetic environments and landscapes for outdoor activities instead of plant-filled spaces. This also means that the respondents do not really care about vegetation as a factor affecting resident satisfaction with urban parks in the Shah Alam residential area, as long as the landscape in urban parks is more appealing. That is all from me. Thanks for listening.